Hi guys, thanks for being here with Hill, and today we're going to be playing around with some more Colourpop palettes. We're going to be playing around with the Orange You Glad palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I brought you guys in a little closer so you can see a little better. I'm going to put some e.l.f. powder under my eyes to catch out any fallout. Okay, now that I have this setting powder all under my eyes, let's decide on how we're going to start this look. Alright, we're going to start, I think, with this zested shade right here. So I'm just going to pop this in my crease, a little above it, just to start a little transition. I have an eyelash right here that's bugging me. It like fell out. Oh, I lost it. I was gonna make a wish. Never mind. So I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe 330 brush to zested this shade and just pack it down. I already put the Milani eyeshadow primer on my eyes. It's my go-to primer as of right now. I love it. It's less than $7, I think, at Ulta, so it was definitely a win when it came to cost. Now that we have zested all on our lid, let's put in crease. Let's put the Morphe M429 brush and let's go into this creamsicle shade. And I'm just gonna, I don't know how this brush is really supposed to work, but I just like go in my crease and I just go like this and I windshield it back and forth just like that in my crease. Back and forth like this. We're even closer now. Alright, now that we just danced this creamsicle shade in the crease, it really popped out that zested underneath it. I really like how that went together. I'm gonna go into the bright shade in the bottom middle actually, called Mimosa Mami. And Maya's barking at something. I don't know. I'm just gonna coat this like fluffy brush. I don't think it has a name. Wow. That's bright. I'm gonna do this all on my lid. I'm just gonna pack it so I don't have a lot of fallout and it goes where I want. Whoa, that is bright. That is bright. Right, so I'm not gonna go all the way down, but I am going to go about 3/4, just doing small strokes. Alrighty, so whoa, that is the Mimosa Mami. And she is bright. Ooh! I like how it's going up a little bit with the lighter, more neutrally creamsicle shade. Alright, let me grab some setting spray and see if we can make this a little brighter. So here is the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. I don't know, I can't find any of my other ones. There's not much left. That is setting spray. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This orange is amazing. Ooh, whoa. I already can tell this is just gonna be such a super easy look today. I'm just gonna grab a blending brush just to make it a little softer and not as rough. I'm gonna dip in to Squeeze Me, this little sparkly shade right here. We're just gonna go in with a Morphe 321 brush, and we're gonna go in to the corner of the eye. Ooh, hoo, hoo. All right, squeeze me, because this is beautiful. And now, let's just finish it off. Keep it simple. I don't want to keep going and mess it up because I really, really, really like this. I'm gonna finish, I think, the top of this look and just go with this little clementine. And it's this little sparkly in the middle. Whoa, love it. And I'm just gonna dab it on the center of my lid. Let's just pop whatever we have left in that corner. Beautiful. Let's get really close and uncomfortable. Doo doo. Alright, let's sweep away all this extra. Love it. Alright, let's go in again with this. Let me drop everything. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush I used, zested, that first shade we used in, and I'm just gonna go right below my brow bone. Blend everything together. Alrighty, I'm gonna do the other eye and then let's see how we're gonna finish this look on the bottom lash line. So, be right back. Alrighty guys, I realized I never pressed play when I started to decide on how I was going to do my bottom lash line. So I went in to Creamsicle right here, and I went all the way under my lash line, and then I took Sunkissed right here and popped it in the middle of that lower lash line on both eyes. And now I think I'm going to finish off by going into Tangerine Dream, just so we can get as many colors in here to try. Ooh, it's softer than the others. Let's do that on the inner lower lash line. Let me finish putting this together, put some lipstick on, mascara on, maybe eyeliner on, and let's see how this really looks. Orange You Glad you guys stayed around to see the finished look. I put some purple eyeliner on the lower lash line, threw on some mascara, put my favorite lippy stick on in the shade Parker, and really close and personal. I love this look. One of my favorite palettes from the Colourpop little story palettes, I think. They're not story palettes, they're just color palettes. I don't know. I keep calling them color story palettes. But so, if you guys liked this video, then please like and subscribe to see more. I think I might do some more of these little color stories because they're so much fun. Thanks. See you around.